There is no one ever who has ever had an idea. Nobody. Your higher faculties, your higher being, it is the conceiver. It conceives. It is the one that conceives. Your brain is the receiver. It receives these downloads. I know you've heard this from spiritual people a lot. Receiving downloads, receiving messages from the higher faculties, the higher mind. That is the brain receiving. And then you perceive through this physical 3D reality. Don't get it tangled up. Let your higher faculties do the work it's meant to do. Bashar always talks about if we don't do this and we do it the backwards way, where we think our brain conceives and then we just perceive, we're walking around literally as half-wits. We use 100% of our brain. 100%. Use it. Create your imaginal act. Create that which you desire. And forget the how. Literally burn it up. Burn it up. I used to do this a lot when I first started scripting. I would write down everything that I wanted in the present tense. I have this. I'm so happy and thankful. And that was so freaking awesome to just feel those vibes. But what I didn't do was burn it up. I allowed them to sit there, and I wondered how this will happen. I let my brain create these scenarios of exactly what I thought was supposed to happen. And when it didn't happen, I threw things away like it didn't work. This doesn't work. No. Forget the how. Allow your higher faculties to conceive. Your brain will receive. When you put in the order to your higher faculties, it will give you so much greater things than you could have ever been able to perceive in your 3D reality. And more times than not, it's nothing like that what you thought it was going to be. It really wasn't. Allow your higher mind to do the work. Just put in the order. Put in the order.